here scanning again. All I'm really looking for is, so I'm finding some brush piles, but I don't see any fish in there. Yeah, it's another brush pile. But yeah, just looking for fish. Once I find something with some fish on it, something I can see, then I'll throw some baits out there to them just so I can see how fish react to it. But nothing here, so I'm gonna keep on moving. All right, so I am out here and just wanted to show you guys how we can use our Mega Live systems. So I just trolled over this. Well, I idled over this. You can see these fish stacked up right here. You can see them on down scan. You can see a real nice sized fish sitting right out here. So basically I have scanned over this using my sonar and down scan. And all I'm gonna do now is just turn back around and ease up on this this standing timber, brush pile or whatever that is out there, and see if we can pick one or two of those fish off of there. Look at that nice image right there, guys. All right, let's see what we can do. All right, there you go. Right to the boat. Shake your head to the mouth. Let's go ahead and get out here and have some fun today, guys. Oh man, gotta love it, guys. This thing is throwing up a bunch of bait fish. So they are down there eating good. Having a great day out here, learning something. Hopefully I'm showing you guys a few things too. Alright guys, don't forget, hit that like button. Alright, so this is what we are looking for, guys. You can see some standing brush pile, something right there. And you can see those fish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's some right there inside of it. You can look over here on this side and see the dots on there. So if you can see those there, that will tell you that not only are there ones there that you can see, but there's generally going to be more around it that you do not see. Mega Live fishing at its finest. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to keep this one, guys. Come on. Yes. Oh, yes. Hey, guys. Let me get a weight on this. All right, this thing is coming in at 445. I don't know if you guys can see that. 445.